Good afternoon. This is English 8D here at KIT Iizuka on July 9th. Let's run over your assignments for this week. We're going to do a little bit of a warm-up with the Quizlet. And then, oh, that's right. Well, okay, I have here under your assignments partner name and student submission, but there are only 3 people in this class, so we're not going to need to do this. There will be 3 people. You'll make one group. That will be the group that you'll have for your speaking test, which will be on the same day as your Moodle test. So that will all be done on the one day. The Moodle test will take, I think I have this scheduled for 40 minutes. Where is it here? No, it's an hour and 20 minutes. And the conversation test will take only another 10 minutes after that. So that should be no problem. We'll probably do the conversation test just before we do the Moodle test. You have walking video number 2. So this is your assignment that's similar to what you did before, but this time your topic will be on this question. Do you think AI like ChatGPT should be banned from universities? Okay, so the topic will be a little bit different, but it's still, again, a walking video. Hold your camera out here. Make sure that you're walking all the time that you're going through, and then submit that before the end of the month, July 29th. Okay. You have your vocabulary quiz number 5. That will be on the vocabulary that we learned the week before. That was from class number 10 or class number 9. Anyway, it was from the vocabulary from before, so it's class number 9. And, this is your semester feedback specifically for me. This is something you can do in Japanese. You don't have to do this in English. I want to get your honest opinion. So there are only 2 questions. Tell me honestly, what did you like about the class? And what did you not like about the class? What do you want to change about the class? I also don't know who's going to be giving me these answers, so you can answer completely honestly. And last but not least is your reflection. Number 12, this one is about attraction. Watch the video, write your answer, send it up to Moodle. Okay. If you ever have any questions about any of that, please contact me at jdmcruz@gmail.com or come and talk to me in class. Thanks very much, everyone.